Okay, great. Okay, sir. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hence, I haven't received any details that do we need to have this session in English or we can continue with Urdu or something else. But let's keep it in English. And if still any question, please do let me know, as we will have a later Q&A session as well. I hope everyone is able to listen to me and my voice is clear. Yes, please.
Ve- Very much loud and clear.
Excellent. Thank you. Oracle Apex, the way forward. Normally, this question I'm getting from different individuals, from different companies. Companies are asking, should we go with Oracle Apex? Is it good enough? Is it powerful? Can it handle a lot of data? Can it, handle our requirements? At the same time, developers or the individuals, they are asking, can we adopt it as a career? What is the future? We will not be stuck, and things like that. So I thought, let me have this session for the community. So at least what I know, I can share or I can communicate, and if someone will have any confusion or any question, it might get clear. So he can have a comfortable situation or comfortable condition, right? So this is our first session. We will carry on with other sessions as well on different topics. We will try, inshallah, like Oracle Cloud and etc. So let's start with this session, and in this, let me go on my presentation. Okay, so today's agenda is I will give an introduction. What is this community or Oracle ERP? Because there are many new members who are not there, at least with this community or with me for last more than 18 years. So they are new, so they will also know a little bit about it. Then I will share what is Oracle Apex, who need Oracle Apex, why we need Oracle Apex, where we need Oracle Apex, and how to get it on premises or on cloud, different flavors. Licensing cost, is there any licensing cost? Is it really free? Or, such questions, because these are questions of any organization or any individual, or if IT is trying to do something, their management will ask such questions. So I thought, let me share my perspective on this. Then I will try to show you quick demo. Those who have already worked, it's very common for them, but at least I am thinking all my community today who joined this session, we will start from zero, very basics, that like we don't know anything. Then we will have some question and answer. I think we will get at the time. We have 1 hour time, so inshallah we will get some time at the end. This disclaimer I am adding over here, that all the details shared in this session are based on my personal feelings and experiences. This is not a paid session by any means, and Oracle Corporation has no role in suggesting or recommending any information provided here. The suitability of the information can vary depending on multiple factors such as the current application, setup, and expertise pool. Each individual must further analyze their own environment and requirements. ERPstuff is not responsible for any decisions made based on this information. Why I am saying this one? Because let's say, for example, I am giving a very big picture. Now your decision should be based on your requirement, your own analysis, your own company requirements, all these things. It suits you, not it is your own decision. You can't say that, okay, you said Apex, we started Apex, we are not able to do. So that's why I just added this disclaimer over here. Okay, ERPstuff. ERPstuff, I had started this community back in 2006 when there were no blogs, there was nothing data on internet, and I started with Oracle EBS, and Alhamdulillah, it was, it was very nice, and the community are at that time, because the way we are having information now, it was not there. Only Metalink Oracle support was there, which was very paid version. Oracle EBS installation was taking around 1 month, to be honest, due to drivers and this. Due to ERPstuff forums, I brought that to 4 hours. So just imagine how companies or how individuals got that installation and they moved to Oracle EBS, and Alhamdulillah, they are enjoying nice jobs at the moment in any country, you name it. 2012, 18, this I've just shared in. And 2023, I got Oracle Ace Associate. Then they got me promoted in 2024, and now I am Oracle Ace Pro as well. So this was a short orientation or background. Oracle Apex, actually this is there since 2004. This is not something new that you are listening on Oracle Apex. And it was originally called, when they started, it was HTML-DB. Those who are using Oracle database for a long time, they will know this name. But at that time, it was not this much the way it is now. In January 06, it was renamed to Oracle Apex 2.1. So they started in 2004. It was HTML-DB. Then they renamed it to Apex. Apex is Oracle Application Express. They named it like this. It is web-based application development platform. Free with Oracle database. I will explain later what is free, what is license, and all those things. But at least I'm saying it is free with Oracle database. So you have to keep in mind. It's a tool. It's a development tool. So don't consider it something. It is a ready-made application or something. It's a tool with which you can develop your applications or your software the way you want. Okay, now it's a database development tool. It's not like you might be thinking, I want to do graphic designing in this. No, it's database development tool. You can create your application based on your database. So it's like application for the business, right? Who and why Oracle Apex? Who should? I mean, I just gave these headings, so it should be just, common questions. Any company having Oracle database or Oracle EBS. This is what I recommend to anyone. Whoever asks me, I say, guys, if you have Oracle database, that means you already have the license. If you have Oracle EBS, you should go with this one because it is free with your Oracle database. But if you don't have even Oracle database, then you have to first buy Oracle database. So this is very first point you have to consider when we say free. What is free? Free means the companies who are already having Oracle database and Oracle database license, that means Apex is there. Individual Apex is not there. It is with Oracle database. So you have to think in the way. So if I will say Oracle Apex is free, don't think it is free because your Oracle database is required. But if you have, then Oracle Apex for you, it will be free. Just you have to start development. ODF and all those things, development in Oracle EBS is always a nightmare because this enhancement is always required. Then there are certain enhancements or requirements you will always have, and especially, let's say for example, you have to upload the data. It will be very tough over there in the OF pages and all those things. Oracle EBS, Oracle Apex, you can just within maybe 15 minutes you can have that page. You can give to the finance, let them upload their invoices or whatever the data in their interface table, and they can proceed. Any company having Oracle developers. Now, if a company say, oh, I want to start Oracle Apex, and they don't have Oracle developers, then it is tough. But if Oracle developers are already there, they are doing, let's say, for Oracle Forms or something like that, that means they are ready. They might need 1 or 2 days to understand the layout, and that's it. They can start working because they already know SQL, they already know PL SQL, and that's it. The development they already know in forms and reports. So for them, it is really good to go. Any developer who knows PL SQL and SQL, we have just mentioned it. Any company who need to migrate, who need migration from forms. Now forms going to be, they have stopped. Oracle have stopped development of Oracle forms. They are just continuing, and they are just giving some support, extended support, and all those things. And secondly, this browsers. You have to use old browser, Firefox, and all those things. Even in Oracle EBS, you have to struggle with that. So at certain time, you have to come to Oracle Apex. Now, if you have worked on Oracle Apex, Forms, and now you are coming to Oracle Apex, huge difference. I will explain in a while as well, but it's huge difference. It's a web-based. It's a very lightweight. Development is very straightforward, easy. Yes, Oracle Forms are there, client-based. Might be you are comfortable with that. Someone worked for 20 years, so he will say, no, forms are easy for you. But no, you have to change or bring change in your company at certain level. Believe me, if you will start Oracle Apex today in your company, I am telling you within 1 month, your whole company will be surprised. There's something happened in the IT department. They did something amazing. And this happened, to be honest. I recommended few companies, they started, they were just hesitating. Skandar, we don't know this and that. I said, no, leave that. I will guide you, I will support you, just go ahead. I'm giving you one example. Onek, it was there in Oman. They did fantastic within first month. They got amazing remarks or comments from the government, from the management, and they were amazed. And now they are doing full development in Oracle Apex. So this is what I am saying. You have to show something extraordinary to the organization, to the company. At the moment, you might be, if you are getting some requirements, no, I don't want to do development and this, that, and that. But in Oracle Apex, you will be just within maybe 1 week, application ready, deployed, khalas, that's it. Any company need integrations. Now, at this point in time, it is very difficult to find a company who will not be needing an integration with an external supplier or customers or outside the company. Pulling data, pushing data. Here, Oracle Apex is very straightforward, very easy with ORDS services, and it's amazing. You can integrate with banks, banks can integrate with you, and etc. with other companies, because you got APIs, you got the integrations with the RESTful services. What else you need? You will not get these in the forms. Any company need web applications. So let's say, for example, if you are using those old, I'm not saying, to be honest, that forms are bad or something like, but there's a time. You have to work, or you have to act as per the requirements of the current time. Yes, if you will ask me 10 years back, 20 years back, wow, that was good. In forms, you will not be able to create charts the way easy it is there in Oracle Apex, and it will amaze your users as well, because something you have to give to the user and they have to face some level of comfort. Okay, any company want to save development time. So this is again a good thing for you to save as well. Now there is another always question. Is this Oracle Apex, what I will be able to do at this and that? So I will be giving this example. It's a toolbox, right? The same way Oracle Apex is a development tool. Now, if you will ask me, Skandar, this tool can be used where? So, very straightforward question or an answer. You can even use this in bicycle. You can use for a car. You can use for an aeroplane. Whatever, wherever you want. It is your requirements, your demands, your criteria, wherever you want to use. But this toolbox can be used anywhere. Now it is up to you what kind of resources you have, what kind of assets you have. You can use this toolbox, and you can repair anything. It is not limited to some one car or something. You can use anywhere. Even you can use at home. You can motorcycle or anything you can use. So this is where I'm saying it's a development tool. Don't consider it something. It is like Oracle Forms, which was an Oracle development tool. Now it is Oracle Apex. It's Oracle product. It's not something any third party or anyone else product. So it's a tool. Now the very first question: how to get it? Shall I use on-premises, cloud, or autonomous? So when I'm saying on-premises, that means you have Oracle database license and you are having Oracle database, and in that even you can use on enterprise, standard, and even express edition as well. You can install. There will be certain limitations, but yes, you can install on the express edition as well. So on-premises, you have to install by your own, you have to manage, you have to do all the way you have to do, and you can do the development, you can upgrade and all those things. Now cloud, yes, you have the cloud options as well. You can install in any cloud. If you have a database over there, and that you will be able to use the Oracle Apex. Now autonomous database. Autonomous database is a service driven that is provided by Oracle, and it is only in Oracle. I think now Ure is also giving autonomous as well. I think recently it was announced. But in Oracle autonomous database, You don't need any database administrator, you don't need anything else, you don't need any server, you don't need anything local. It's an autonomous database. If you have good internet connectivity, I think autonomous database will be a good option, because you will not have any extra cost and all those things. It is managed by Oracle team, and in their data centers you can just subscribe, and it is monthly based service, and you can enjoy this autonomous. Okay, now licensing cost. As I was saying, that when we say free, then people say, this is free. It is just like when we say open source applications are free, but people just forget. Let's say, for example, I'll give you example of Odoo. Odoo is a good ERP, and every company, they say, it's free, it's open source, but no. When they will come to the implementation cost, it is quite huge. People or companies are charging quite huge cost, because it's developers are not available, quite easily. So it's development cost. Then companies say, no, it was free. But free is something else. It is implementation is something different. So when we say free, that means you have Oracle database license. If you don't have Oracle database license, that is it's not free, because you have to buy Oracle database. Okay, autonomous database as cloud package, because it's autonomous. When you will buy it, it was costing around $300 per month or something like that, plus minus. So you can imagine now few companies say, no, it is quite huge cost. You have to compare this cost, not only just let's say, for example, $300 or something like that. You have to think you are paying in your data center servers, you have operating system or system administrator, you have database administrator. You have to mention keep all these costs in your mind. Then you can compare with any cloud solution, because normally we just skip, because we say, okay, employees are there, because we have the employees. So employee salaries you have to add over there, bonuses, everything, put it in the sheet, and then compare. Then you will find, okay, what is the difference and where we are gaining or losing. Then you can decide, okay, where I should keep, and if you have the good internet speed as well. Now I will show you Oracle Apex session in just apex.oracle.com, because this is the application which you can just start now without any installation. You can log into apex.oracle.com. You can create free account. You can use over there. You can learn over there. You can study. We have our community forum, question and answers are there. You can take the guidance, improve your skills, do something good for your organization. It will reward you. So let me move to the demo, and meanwhile, if anyone has any question, let me address quickly. Hello.
Sikandar bhai, I'll be holding my question till the end of this session.
Okay, sure, no problem. Let me now share this one. No problem. Because now I'm sharing my screen to the other one. I think now you can see my Chrome browser, right?
Yes, sir.
Apex. Okay, just someone can confirm, that's it. So I'm just opening my apex.oracle.com instance, and if you are new, you can just come to apex.oracle.com on your Chrome browser or any browser, and you can start browsing the instance. It is free. You can start development straightforward. So I'm just logging into my account. It's a very old account as well. And by the way, in this, if you are a user, you need more space, you can request more space as well. I think by default it is not much space, but you can request more space and Oracle will allocate more space to you. I think I have now quite a lot of space over there in this. So this is your Oracle Apex instance. You can say dashboard or something like that. And here you have app builder. You will come in this app builder. I think I have recording as well, so it's a bit slow. No problem. So like this, you can develop your application over here. So if I will give you a quick demo, so I will say create. And now even it has AI integration as well. So you can just in this Apex it is not configured, but in other cloud I haven't configured. Even you can simple give English statements and it will develop your application. Very simple. So let's say for example training session, and you can say use create app wizard. Even if you have an Excel file, from directly Excel file you can create an application. It will create your application from the Excel file. So just imagine. So now in this, let's say for example there's a home, there are certain options, nothing else. I can just add page over here. I just want to show how easy it is, so that comfort level should be there in your mind that there are different options. Even you can create your dashboard. Let me add one page of your dashboard. Just have a look. Let me add. I'm just adding dummy no data at the moment. It will have a dummy data, and here I can say, let's say for example interactive report, right? Page name, let's say employee. Okay, and this is table view, include form. I am including the form as well. Let me select the table. I think I have amp table, and I will include the form because I want to make it as data entry as well. So I did nothing. I just selected this table and this one, add form, add page, sorry. Okay, so I just added few pages, and I can enable all these progressive web app as well. You can open on your mobile app as well. You can open as mobile app and push notification on your phones. Those information is there, but I'm not enabling at the moment. I'm just saying create application. So just imagine if you have data entry and application. I'm not saying very complicated. If you will compare with inventory and all those things, it might take some time. And my application is ready. So now I have to run it. Just have a look. If we had any other, I think this one is there. Okay, my application is there. If I click my dashboard, just imagine I did nothing. Now the only thing I have to go back and I have to edit this page. I will link with this my data and my dashboard will be ready. If I go to employees, I did at the moment till now no coding, right, except giving name to this application. And here is the data in my table. And if I click this edit, I got this entry form. So I can make entry over here. So, and if I need new record, I can click here, create, right? So now this is a type of page, like this is drawer called that it is coming from the right to this one. You can change. You have different types of pages, like this page. This is normal page, and this is a drawer, right? So here you can enter your information and create. That's it. So just imagine if you have an application. Let me give you a few examples. Self-service leave application, like for HRMS and HR, you have normally gate passes at the gates, and I mean different. You can give, for example, an application to your customers or suppliers. Suppliers will always call your finance department. What is the status of my payments? What is the status of my invoices and things like that? You can give them an application, web-based. They will log in and they will see their status. They will not even call to your finance department. Now you are saving the time of your finance department staff. So, and your supplier, they will not call. They will just log in and they will check the status and when last payment was made. You know, they can check with the banks and all those things. So just imagine how easy it is with Oracle Apex. And a simple question, why I am emphasizing or why I am recommending, based on my 28 years of experience and only in Oracle, I found that even I am certified with Oracle form back in 2000. It's, old story as well. I have worked on Oracle report forms. They are still there in Oracle EBS. So still in touch with them. But as a development point of view, as an organization point of view, if you will ask me, Oracle Apex at this point in time is very much something you need it, you should use it, you should explore it, and it is very easy. It's not tough. Anyone who knows Oracle or Oracle databases, Oracle SQL, PL, SQL, he can straightforward very easily, he can learn and explore. So if, let's say for example, this is my page, if I click this page and it will take me to the editor where I can edit its further details, properties and all those things. If you are seeing it then first time, maybe you say, okay, what is this here and there, but when you will use it for a few days or maybe for a week, then, and you are already a developer, you know that development how works. But if you are even not a developer, then that is something, because concepts will be different. So if I, this is a region, if I will check the region here on the right, it's my table name. If I click this to SQL, it will give me the query as well. Here is the query. You want to make any conditions here, or even you can make condition here. It is up to you. So it is straightforward, and this is the layout. You can move here and there. Here down you have these objects. You can select this region, what kind of report you want. In one page you can have multiple regions. So just imagine, I mean, this, if you want to add chart, you just drag, you change the SQL, and that's it. There are different types of availability. And another thing is, just saw it over there, I must say, workflows. A company with a large number of employees, they will always need workflows, because workflows are required for processing of any request or approvals of any documents, and you can easily create your own custom workflows. You can use Oracle workflows. You can use third-party workflows in Oracle Apex. There are a couple of available. You can go to my YouTube channel. I have explained over there at certain level. You can just check. You can take the idea and you can use workflows, and it can be integrated with your email service, and you can generate email. You can send attachments to your customers or suppliers or whatever from Oracle Apex. You can upload data using Oracle Apex from Excel, from CSV. You can integrate with Oracle EBS. I have one document on ERPstuff.com. You can download it. Is free. You can integrate single sign-on with Oracle EBS. So let's say, for example, you have Oracle EBS. You will log in with Oracle EBS account and it will give you the access. Or you can come from Oracle EBS to Oracle Apex. It will be there in your responsibility menu. You will click, it will open Oracle Apex and things like that. So just imagine, with very friendly tool and no development in a sense of coding. So, and it's just few clicks. And if you see here, I haven't done anything that I have to connect to database and this, everything is there. And it is very lightweight because it's HTML on the backend, and all this HTML development it is keeping in as a metadata in Oracle database tables. So there is no physical file it is keeping somewhere that you have some risk or virus tag or something like that, or deletion or whatever. And it keeps everything in the tables. Runtime, it will generate or render all these HTML pages, and it will be providing you the data. There are caches, so that performance issue will also not be there. It's not GUI that it will go to the database and it will bring some images and all those. Nothing is there. It is purely HTML. And in this you can have JavaScript, you can have CSS, you can have anything. Yesterday I shared one video, not one, but I think two, that even you can customize from front end here, theme roller. So let's say, for example, if you have some branding you want to use, you can just go from here, you can start. They have some built-in, you can change, or you want your own, you can even customize. It is up to you. So here you can have these regions, navigations, colors. You can just save from here, change, save, and you have your own theme. So it's quite easy. I mean, if you want to upload a logo, you can just edit from here. You can create a new logo, and that's it. It will come here. You don't need to, worry about this, that like in PHP you have to go in the code, you have to remember syntax and all. Nothing. Just front end. So I think this is very high level. I'm just showing you that at least you will get some comfort level. The guy is not something very difficult or very tough. You have to step forward. And believe me, don't think it's just an Oracle Apex. You have to think the solution you are going to develop with this. Just I'm giving you example. If you have to integrate your company with bank, very straightforward. Use Oracle Apex, I would say. If you have a forms application, then now you have to do integration with banks or any third-party servers or anything. Or you have to fetch data from anyone else. You can just use ORDS. That's it. And I mean, amazing. Even you can create reports directly using APIs. So when you will run report, it will call the APIs, it will take the data and it will generate your report in front of you. So just imagine the strength, power, and I would say amazing features at the moment available in Oracle Apex. And they are giving 2 releases every year. So Oracle is very much committed. And as per my experience, I'm not new because I know how Oracle is dealing with all these things. And if they are uh, emphasizing on this, that means they are not interested in Oracle forms and reports. So you have to think now. Don't wait for the last day when everything will stop working. Then you will start thinking, okay, now I need to move to Oracle Apex or something else. I have Oracle. Why I'm saying from Oracle Forms to Oracle Apex? Because you will have developers of Oracle. They know Oracle Forms. For them, moving to Oracle Apex is just like 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C. But in others, let's say for example, if you will move other technologies or anything or platform, you have to learn. Maybe uh, I mean you need more extra effort than Oracle Apex because you are already Oracle developer. But if you are not having Oracle database license or Oracle database, then you have to think the way your company or strategy of the company where they want to go, what is the platform they have selected or they want to go with. Then you have to compare it in a different way. But if you have already Oracle database, you have Oracle EBS, then I would suggest just imagine if tomorrow you have Oracle EBS and if you give them your top 10 customers with outstanding balances, just imagine what your management will say to you. They will be really delighted. Your CFO will be giving good remarks to you because you are giving eyes to them. From the data, from those text, reports, it is not much clear. Agings are there, but if you will give aging in this, amazing. And one more thing. Always finance or any department, they will ask, I need data in Excel and this and that. Just come here, tell them you can download. If they want to do something, they can even play here. It's just like pivot tables as well. I mean, already it is C pivot you can use over here, like Excel. So charts, you can even create charts on your screens. User can create a chart. So even from to the user, they are not just whatever is available. They can even do their own. They can even select their own reports columns. They can create their grouping and totals. So see here, computes is there, flashback is there, aggregates are there, sorting is there, format, control breaks are there. So if I will control break on my department, let's say for example, just a moment. See now, I'm an end user. I don't know any development, and just see, the whole thing's changed. So this is where you need Oracle Apex if your company is using already Oracle, and I think I have given all the overall picture. So I think now we can move to any questions or discussion, if any still there, because this topic should not end. It's a long topic. Right, over to you to other users, and thank you very much for your time, for your commitment. And if you are there, that means you want to learn something, you want to do something amazing for your company, for your career, and you can do amazing things, to be honest. Please.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
I just want to inquire about when you have, this is basically very interesting from a developer point of view, that I have to open the interface of Apex from the browser and then connect it with the database. Uh, this is from developer point of view. You have just shown us about admin login, that is about the Apex. How do we connect with the Oracle database from where you are getting the tables to extract the data?
Okay.
This is one question.
Okay.
Secondly, this is from developer point of view.
Sure.
Secondly, how do we deploy this application to the user where the forms and reports are predefined and made available to the user? How can they access that application which is developed in Oracle Apex?
Okay. What I understood, if you can see my screen, I have just opened a paintbrush. You can see my screen?
Okay, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Excellent. Oracle Apex is, let me say, if you see here, this is my database, right? The best thing of Oracle Apex is it is inside your database. It is not somewhere staying outside the database. So if let's say for example you have database 19C or 12C or 23, whatever, Apex is inside this database. So let's say for example when now this is your browser. If you will connect to this database, this is already there in your database. So this Apex will have one schema, one user, which is there in the Oracle database. So you will do all the development in that user. Let's say for example, you have created one user ABC or HR or finance. So that will be there in this Oracle database where you have all the other users, same like Oracle database users. Now, if you want, let's say, for example, you have created HR, you want to give some finance access, you will give to that HR that is available in your Oracle Apex. Now, another thing is, let's say you have another database, which is here, you will create between database DB links. So, even let's say, for example, this is Oracle EPS, you will have a database because then this is database to database connectivity. And from Oracle Apex, you will just straightforward connect with the DB link to the Oracle EBS. So you will just, you will not find any difference that it is on this database or this database. Okay, now to the user, let's say for example, you have forms, you are working on 6i or any 12G or whatever. This is web-based. So let's say for example, this is your database. Now there are three ways. One is you just install ORDS and it is, you can using ORDS, you will be able to access over here. Or you want to install an application server, you can install Tomcat, which is free. You will connect this Tomcat through ORDS with this database, and that's it. You got the Apex. You will just click the URL and you got the Apex. Then you have Oracle Web Server. You can use that one. It is licensed version. You will need to buy a license for that. So there are three options. Whatever is suitable. Again, it depends on your size of the company, size of the users, and your requirements for sure. Now, your question is clear or not yet?
Yes, absolutely. But this is from developer point of view. We have to connect our Apex interface with the database using our internal database password, user and password. And how do interface which will be provided to the user and how they access the database, will we provide them with the technical user and password of the database to the user? That is not a good practice.
Oracle Apex is having a developer user as well. So you will assign the role to the user who is connecting to the Apex, and then you will have the normal user. And when you will give access of an application, then you are not giving a development access. You are just giving an application where you cannot do a development or anything. You can give read only, and no development is possible in that. And they will be just having the screen, and in that you can have your own custom authentication, authorizations in your application, the way you are building in any other application, where you can restrict this form is for home, this feature is for home, this button is for home, who can access this button, who can see this button or click this button, all those things are there. So there is no...
Just like
Sorry?
It is just like the form. It is just like the form which are developed
Of course.
in
Form is some,
11G.
exactly,
And
exactly. There is
okay,
no such.
but I just want to inquire some detail about the deployment. Like
See,
we have developed the
let me
form.
say, let me take few other questions from someone else as well. You can join. You are there in our WhatsApp group.
Sir, I have just first time I've joined your session.
Oh, okay, no problem. You can reach to me, info at
But it's very
erpstuff.com.
very interesting. It is very interesting, sir.
Thank you very much. Info at erpstuff.com.
Okay,
Info
okay. Info
at erpstuff.com.
info at ERPstuff.com.
Just send me a message. I will add you to the WhatsApp group, which is already full, by the way. It's 10:25.
Okay.
But whenever there is space, I will add you over
Okay.
there. So these
Okay.
types
My
of
name is Ali
questions.
Imran.
Sorry, Ali
My
Imran.
name is Ali Imran.
No problem. No problem.
Okay. Info at the rate of stuff
At the
ERP.com.
rate erpstuff.com.
At the rate stuff ERP.
No. At the rate
ERPstuff.com.
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 Yes.
Okay,
yes.
fine.
I can
Okay.
open here. Oh, let me show you that.
Okay. Okay, fine. This is Chance.
Okay. Anyone else?
Thank you.
Yes, Sikandar bhai, I have a query. As far as this introduction is concerned, it is very fruitful. But I have raised four of the queries, and during your speech, in fact, two of the queries were already answered. So I have left with only a couple of queries.
Sure.
The first query is how much coding is required. Being a functional consultant since last 20 plus year, I'm a little worried about that how much coding is required. I left the coding or programming some 18 years in back. So would it be required again to get into the coding as far as Oracle Apex is concerned?
Now let me explain. So any other question, or let me first answer this one?
The other question is is just a suggestion that to take it forward, this session forward. Would it be possible that if we form some groups and assign tasks? There's a second suggestion or question, in fact.
Okay. Task means?
Means self assigned task
Okay.
to develop some application to get into the Oracle Apex.
Sure, that why not? We can do it because the daily discussion we are having in Apex group, you can take benefit from there. Now let me answer to your question. Development. It has Oracle PL SQL. It has SQL. Now the latest version 24.1, it is providing you AI services as well. That means even for coding you can instruct in your simple English, I need an SQL to, I need totals of sales from my this table, and it will give you a complete SQL. Just imagine in your Apex.
Okay.
Right? So even for if somewhere you need the coding, now it's very simple.
That's interesting.
So now if you will say why we need coding, sometimes you, let's say for example, you have certain calculations, you have some certain business logic, things like that. For that you need to develop PL SQL.
Okay.
And that is if you have already, maybe you did 20 years back, you will not forget. The way you still remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or ABC. You can't forget it, right?
Right.
ABC you never tried now, but you will never forget. You try to forget, you will not be able to. So this is the way. If you have already done development, you know, okay, what are the functions, what are the procedures. It is straightforward, very easy. And now in this current point in time, you are getting AI services which are even giving code to you, suggesting everything is there. So even if code is required, it is very simple as compared to 18 years back, where you have to write, you have to do a lot of things. It is very simple now. And they have ready-made plugins. Somewhere you need some plugin, it is also available. It depends on your requirement. But believe me, you can develop very rapid application in this. You can integrate with other platforms, applications. Just imagine now at this point in time, if you are getting an integration services built in, what else you need? I mean, it's amazing for any company. Just think in this perspective. In Oracle Forms reports, that feature is not there. But yes, it was there. I mean, Oracle forms were very good, very okay, accepted. But now since the developers, I mean Oracle, they have stopped improving or enhancing it, then who will fix your challenges and all those things? So better now think about moving to some latest technology, which is very much supported, encouraged by Oracle. So why not? And you have Oracle database already. You don't need any extra cost for that. So that's what
Got it.
I
Got
like
it.
it.
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
And I mean, our forums, our community is already there. Any question, I mean, daily it's very active and productive sessions. And you can, if you are facing an issue, immediately you will get a solution because teams are there. They are sharing their knowledge and immediately without any delay. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Anyone else?
सर
Yes.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
जी जी.
सर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि हम क्या एप्लीकेशन की परफॉर्मेंस जो है इसको हम कैसे बेहतर बना सकते हैं आप इसको किस तरह से ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं
Can I say in English or I should say in Urdu?
यस सर
I don't know someone who is there. इसमें ये है कि जब भी हम एप्लीकेशन की परफॉर्मेंस की बात करेंगे तो और ये रिव्यू कीजिएगा क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड वॉइस आ रही है. अच्छा, इसमें होता ये है कि आप भी काफी लोग कहते हैं जी Oracle FX की परफॉर्मेंस अपनी तो है ही नहीं, ये आपकी डेटाबेस की परफॉर्मेंस होती है. अब होता क्या है, काफी सारी कंपनीज ने डेवलपर से सारे काम लेने होते हैं. वही डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी कर रहा है, वही मैनेजमेंट भी कर रहा है, वो यूजर सपोर्ट भी कर रहा है, वो एवरीथिंग. आई मीन इट्स नॉट, हर एक अपना एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज होता है. आप परफॉर्मेंस पे जब आएंगे तो Oracle डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रिक्वायर्ड है आपको. आप Oracle डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर कहें कि मेरी डेटाबेस को फाइन ट्यून करें, क्या वो आपकी राइट साइजिंग के मुताबिक है, क्या उसके जो हार्डवेयर है वो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के मुताबिक है. Oracle Apex ने आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को ना तेज करना है ना स्लो करना है, ये आपकी Oracle डेटाबेस की परफॉर्मेंस है. तो मैं तो इसको मानते, अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी कनेक्टिविटी या नेटवर्क स्विचेस, वो अगर उनमें प्रॉब्लम चल रही हैं, Oracle Apex स्लो ही होगा. Oracle Apex ने तो कनेक्ट करना है ना आपके नेटवर्क पे. तो इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट Oracle Apex इज स्लो. देयर इज नथिंग to be slow or which can slow in Oracle Apex because it's something from the browser, it's calling to the database. So database has to serve. If database is not fine tuned, data is not right size, the hardware is not as per your requirements, and it is not properly configured. Database is installed by, I'm sorry to say, and by a developer who just study development side, he is installing database as well. So what kind of performance we should expect from such database? So this is happening in companies. I'm sorry to say it's a one-man show. Sometimes I have seen management is putting pressure. Oh, you are Oracle, you can do anything. It's not like that. Like in the doctors, you have eye specialist, you have heart specialist, this and that. So in the same way, in development and all those things, you need right person as well to do that right job. So once you will have the database properly configured, I don't think you will face any performance issue or anything else. So let me know if your question is clear or not yet. Or answer, sorry.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Right? So don't say Oracle Apex is slow. I strongly disagree with this because this is just a development tool which is residing in their database, and when you will call any page, it is going to the database. It will take the metadata of your page because when you create a button, there is no button or anything or any page or any file. It is in the table of the database, and it will keep an HTML code over there. When you will call, it will generate, and it's a database performance. Your server RAM is less, performance will be slow. Then you don't say Apex is slow. It's not Apex, it's always Oracle database. Anyone else? Any question, please? Hello? Or if someone can share his experience or her experience, okay, they are doing, they are not doing, or they are planning to do something in Oracle Apex in near
I'm
future.
planning to do something in Oracle Apex.
SNY, you have to do. There is no choice for you. There is no choice.
Correct.
Please remove this fear
Correct.
factor, and it is amazing.
I 100% agree with you.
You can give solution to Emirates. You can give solution to Etihad because this is a development tool. It's not something that end application. You can give integration to any bank. You just imagine. I mean, this is integration tool, a development tool. So just don't think just an Oracle Apex. You think that what kind of solution or tool you can provide using this tool. Any company, any organization, small, large, whatever. I remember, I think in KPK, there is one application having, I think, 100,000 users. Oracle Apex. So just imagine, I mean, it's not something, it's Oracle Apex. So just take it. I am saying the integration is the best part. You cannot get very easily in any other. And if someone have any confusion, he can just take my videos are there. We have community forums. We are supporting. Why we are supporting? Because this is something to build someone's career, to give companies some better resources, better guidance. So just imagine a developer sitting in his office and he's not getting, because I'm getting calls from different people. We are not getting proper guidance, and so I'm guiding them for free. Nothing, no charges for that. Because this is something Sadka Jariya as well, and Sadka from my side as well, to the individual, to the company, to improve. Because it's not something that they will only stuck in the same for 20 years. Oh, improve. Do something different.
Do something different.
Something amazing. Okay, forms were there, they were good. Come out of your comfort zone. You will be, you are going to amaze your company, your people, your employees. They need something different from you. Don't think still 20 years you will keep the same things.
Correct.
So this is what I'm saying. Just if someone is not using thinking, just use it and just tell me after 1 month what is the difference in his or her company. Then tell me. If you are facing any difficulty, share us in the group. We will guide you. No problem.
Thanks for the extended support, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, sir. No challenge at all. And now these days, so many knowledge is there, so many videos are there, so there is no, I mean, limitations. Oracle is supporting, Oracle videos are there, Oracle labs are there. So, and we will continue such more session in the near future as well. This is my first experience, Alhamdulillah. It amazed me, to be honest. It amazed me. Because sometimes, you know, on the weekend or such, on this day, you know, it is difficult to engage people from the IT side. I think we went to around, if I'm not wrong, around 40 or something like that. So it's amazing attendance as well. That means people are taking interest, they want to improve, they want to change the world. And believe me, now it's not time of forms, to be honest. Sorry. I can't support forms anymore. You have to change. Any question? Now, I think with this we are going to end this session. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.